Hello guys, in the previous video we learned about the if else command which will show a different output depending on the input you give it. But as you can see, this code has a problem because when we run it, it asks us for our username, but if we type even a single credential wrong, so like that, it will say access denied and then it will just stop. So then we'll have to manually run it again. And this will cause a problem because if we're like building a website, we don't want the user to like reload the website just because they typed a single credential wrong. That's where loops come in. Loops will keep on running and running and running this code until you stop them. So first up here, we write while true. So while true is a loop that will keep on running and running this code until we stop it. Now right now it will just keep on running and running this code forever. And as you can see, we don't want that because if the user just types it correct and it will print access granted, we do not want it to ask it again. So that's why after here we write break. Now what break will do is to stop the loop and end the, you can see break will just stop the loop. So now as you can see, when we test it, it will ask us for a username, which if we type wrong, as you can see, it will say access denied and ask it again. So then if we type it correct, like admin, and then it will print access granted and then stop. Bye.